Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to boost your Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC or laptop audio volume. Let me show you an easy app that you can use to boost your audio volume on your Windows PC. So you want to go ahead and open up the Microsoft Store, guys. So Windows key, search for the Microsoft Store, or if you have it here on a pin, you can open up the Microsoft Store. Now you want to use the search and type in Boom 3D, right? You should find a result here that says Boom 3D. It's an audio enhancer. Once you click on that, you'll be able to use this app to boost your audio. So Boom 3D, audio enhancer, equalizer, and bass. Click on Get, and you will install this on your PC. As you can see, the installation process is almost done. And once this is finished, we're going to go ahead and open up the application. So once it's done, click and open. And from here, you will click and start booming. Now, you will have a few options right here that you can basically, go through the instructions, let's put it like that, so that you know how to use the app. Now, once you're in the app, on the right hand side, you will have a few options or few presets. As you can see right here, it has my headphones selected, but you can ensure that you select your right audio, right? So you can search for your headphones, you can search for your speakers, whatever it is. But the important thing is to select the correct preset. So once you're inside, just simply go ahead and change preset. And here you have a bunch of different options that you can choose from. So here you have presets for Windows, game, you have the bass boost that you can use. You can scroll on a bit more and you have, for example, that's called loud. So this is going to make it extremely loud as well. And so you can go through and you can find some really cool presets that you can use to enhance. So this is going to definitely help you to enhance your music and make your volume much more louder. I also want to show you an option that you can use to control your microphones, your headset, your speakers. Here on the upper right, you have, for example, a speaker. You click on that, you can switch from system speaker to over here to whatever it is. You have a bunch of different options here that you can select from and basically use the one that you desire. Here in the middle, you have your speaker. Here in the middle, you have your speaker. You can put it in mute or not. Here you also have you can turn it on or off and so forth. So it's a really interesting application, guys, that you can choose. And you can easily use this application to boost your volume audio on your Windows PC. So that's it. Try out this application, guys. Boom 3D and play around with it. You can use it to enhance your Windows 11 audio, and you can also use it to tweak your headset if you have it, a whole lot. So check out these presets, and you can go ahead and you can try. You can definitely find something that's going to definitely help you to boost your audio or your audio volume in Windows 11 or Windows 10. But that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.